Lorraine Neal is a distinguished alumni because of the work that she has been doing in the community. She is a promoter for healthcare in the community. She promotes health awareness for HIV/AIDS.
My passion to give back is to create a continuum and to give back to the community, be that professor that inspires other people to go into those odd places and to keep the world connected, because I think there's this big push to stay in your little square, be comfortable in your little square, be worried about your retirement, make your own money and not give back so much, you know? And I find that I feel so much more wealthy and so much more enriched in the universe just by staying connected.
Lorraine is a strong advocate for health education. Every opportunity she gets, she is willing to be involved in different community health fairs, partnering with different agencies to bring awareness to health, health promotion, and just, to help people to learn how to take better care of themselves, which was her purpose of enrolling in Erie Community College nursing program in the first place.
You could have someone in a hospital, and I've been with many patients when it's their last breath. People just want to be connected. And I think that that's one of the things that pulls me. And I've done a lot of talks in the community, and I've gone all the way across the world. I've done presentations in different countries, and it's just a connecting factor that I feel that's my give back to the community, is that I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to go into those places, or I'm not afraid to touch people who might be perceived as leprous.
Lorraine Neal is a great success story for Erie Community College. She started here and she went where her heart led her, which is to teach future nurses at DeUville College.
When I have a student who got into community health, public health, and they said, you know what, you really made a difference, and I really saw, or I really see some of the things that you're talking about, that makes me know that I'm in the right place doing the right thing at the right time for me.